Hello, my name is Will Ralston with SinglePoint. Today I want to quickly show you how to set up a new text message autoresponder. First of all, you're going to log into your SinglePoint client access tool. This is the screen that will initially pop up when you log in. You're going to select Message Center, New Campaign, choose your keyword, check the availability. If it's not available, it will say this keyword is not available in red. Here's where you'll enter your auto response text. And if you submit the message, the campaign is now live. So now if you were to text keyword to 37284, you would get the autoresponder saying auto response. Thank you very much for watching this demo, and enjoy SinglePoint.